everyone. It's Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. And today we're going to be making something that probably is more for me than anybody. I'm not a breakfast person. And this is probably the only thing I really like for breakfast is quiche. And I usually have the little miniature ones and keep them in the freezer and use them. I guess growing up and trying to get the kids off to school, you just lose interest in breakfast. So, but I do like biscuits and gravy sometimes, but normally quiche is about the only thing I like. I have a friend that she likes this quiche too. And so today, I found this today. I haven't tried this yet, but I have it in the little ones. We're going to make it with tortillas. And if you get the bigger tortillas, it works better. I thought I had got the biggest ones, this one, and it was just not big enough, but I will have to say that I think the bigger ones would work. Now, I've cut it, and there's two here. So, I've sprayed it with olive oil, and it's real quick. You can make it for breakfast. And I'm going to use 4 eggs, small eggs. These are small eggs. It's real quick to make. Just stick them in the oven and a couple pieces of toast and you're ready. I'll use 4. And then you put anything you want to. I had some stir this up for. You just put the things you like in it. I had sausage. A couple pieces of sausage and spinach, and I cut it up so it wouldn't all blob up together. Red and green pepper, put a little bit in it. Put green onions, and any kind of cheese you want to. This is a estimate. I got a lot of bag cheese I'm going to use. And this is good in. Just put I guess a handful, and it'd be good. Might put a little bit more in it. That's it. That's your mixture. And just put a little salt and pepper. Especially eggs. I guess eggs is one thing that you just really have to have salt and pepper for. That's it. Half a teaspoon pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. Yep. And I like a little bit of heat in mine. And this one is just the Creole. You don't even have to put any, but I do like it. And I'm going to sneeze anytime I get pepper, you know that. Okay. I've got my oven on 350. Let's see how this goes. I'd say it takes about 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Well, it came out of the oven. It was in there 20 minutes. I'll have to have a better spoon or fork. Yes. Right. I tell you, it would be fluffier if you put milk in it. I've got a friend that can't use milk, so I'm used to doing things for her. You probably would. It'd be fluffier if you had milk. This is just solid egg. You got green brown there on the bottom. So this will be my breakfast for a few days. Now I do like those tortillas. It's crispy and don't get soggy. Excuse me again. I shouldn't take just a big bite. Anyway, it's very simple. I think you would love it. See what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. If you want it to be a little bit fluffy, you can put a little bit of milk into eggs before you put your vegetables and stuff in it. I think you'll like it. If you like eggs. Well, it was fun. I'm going to cut it up and put it in my refrigerator. So my breakfast is taken care of the next few days. So take care of yourself. It's raining here and I'm so thankful for the rain. And we'll see you soon. Remember the joy. Bye.